Ooh, hello guys, I am Kazzer18, and today we're gonna go over, and we're gonna look at all these fidget spinner apps. Now I have my own fidget spinner. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Fidget spinning. I love fidget spinners, they're so fun. Oh yes. So it's all the fidget spinners. Highest rated. There we go. Check out this fidget spinning app. And we're just gonna go do some fidget spinning. Let's go. Ooh, bottle flipping. And hydraulic presses. Ooh. I love fidget spinning. The fidget spinners. I love my fidget spinner. It's blue and it looks like it looks so cool. Oh, let's spin. Oh, ooh, 29 spins, baby. New record. Woo! I'm the best. How do I continue? Just let's beat our record. No. God dang it. I'm using the fidget spinner. Ooh, can it only do 29? Are you kidding? Let's go. Let's go. Come on! 30! I just got a new fidget spinner. Let's go check it out. Oh god. It's an ad. What is that about fidget spinners? Ah! So cool. How many fidgets can it do? Ooh, it overwrecks the last one. It's really cool fidget spinner. Really cool. Ooh, 100 spins! Let's go, baby! Woo! 14 spins! Woo! Yeah! I am the best! I surpassed 29 global players! Woo! Let's go see. Oh, we got ourselves a rainbow fidget spinner. Let's go try it. Oh yeah! I love fidget spinners. Oh, they're so fun. New record! Yeah! More fidget spinners! Fidget spinners! Oh! I love fidget winning. What? Woo! Oh, the fidget spinning! 230! Woo! 232! Woo! 235! Woo! 237! Woo! 238! We get 240! 240? Yeah! 240 spins, baby! Woo! Get. Whoa! Let's try this guy. Oh, let's try that guy. Where's that guy at? That guy looks cool. The incense spinner. Whoa! Fidget spinning! Fidget spinning! Whoa! That's it. Whoa! Yeah! Gotta keep it going! Gotta keep it going! All the speed! 1,000 mile per hour fidget spinning! Did that just say ultra speed? Ah! It's still going, guys! Whoa! Unbelievable speed! All the speed, people! All the speed! Woo! Yeah! 1,000 mile per hour fidget spinning! Woo! Keep it going! We're gonna get to 9,000 spins! 1,000 spins! Woo! 1,000 fidget spins! Woo! Yeah! I'm the best! I'm the best fidget spinner ever! Woo! Yeah! 79 surpassed 79 people! Percent of people. Whoa! I unlock the gear spinner. Yes. Let's spin this spinner. Unbelievable speed. Whoa! Yeah! That actually looks kind of cool, to be honest, right now. Unbelievable speed, 2,000 mile per hour fidget fitting. Whoa! We're gonna spin it the other way. Whoa! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Let's spin it the other way. Spin it the other way. Oh! 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 Let's break the record! Let's go, baby! Yeah! Woo! Fidget spinning! Yeah! Unbelievable speed. Ugh. Alright, guys, so do not dislike this video if you think this is me freaking out loving fidget spinners. This is me making fun of fidget spin. I am just sitting here having a good... I am not serious about this, guys. This is all a joke. Me just having a great laugh with myself. Getting, I don't really have that much clickbait videos. So I'm just like, you know what? Fidget spinners are huge. Let me throw something out there. Just to be like, hey, the clickbait, baby. I am not a huge fidget spinner person. Now, yes, I do have... That triangle is fucking messed up. That triangle is legit, like, screwing with my head. I do have a fidget spinner, but it was a gift from my niece. We got a puzzle spinner. We're gonna take a look at it. When did I get these? Where did these come from? But if you hear my voice in this video, you will know this is all for fun. I am just making this video for a good laugh for everyone. Because, you know, there's all these videos like the best fidget spinner, golden fidget spinner, all this stuff. This video is going to be called the most hyped fidget spinning video ever. Guys, this is all just a joke. Don't unsubscribe. I'm doing this just for the fun of it. That was weird. I just heard something walking around my freaking room. Anyway, guys, this is all just a joke. If you stayed tuned to the end, hit that like button. Okay? Hit that like button. This is all just for fun. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Dragon Ball stuff and maybe some more Gamer Lames. Tell me down in the comments below what you would recommend me playing. Again, this is all a joke. Joke. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye. This is me signing off. Woo!